We have arrived at the Tropicana. I'm going to give you a little virtual tour of our stay. I'll show you around. I hope you enjoy this video.
Alright, we've entered the Tropicana zone. Made it here safely. This is a little visual of some of the restaurants, bar and grill. Show you. I'm going to go downstairs. Hopefully we won't break our neck. Almost did.
It's a little tour of the Havana area. This old car is incredible. It's beautiful. You got the Cuba Libre restaurant. You know, we got awesome burger joint that just had recently opened. We have a Starbucks, an ice cream place. There's plenty to do for everybody. It's a beautiful little area. They had the New Year's party over here. It was incredible. Carmine's is an incredible Italian restaurant. And they have the dance club upstairs. This is like a virtual party every night.
This is the casino zone.
Bacon.
Me and Lisa trying to come back and make some money today. Alright, we're entering from the elevators to where our room is here at the Tropicana. Not bad.
This is a non-smoking floor.
Not bad. Tropicana bathroom, shower, pretty standard. Just a quick scan of the room in Tropicana where we stayed in the South Tower. Pretty standard room. Table. A small TV. It was adequate. This is our view from our room in the South Tower. Very nice. It's blue sky today. We have two windows, so one also overlooks the ocean, and that's quite nice today. A little cold out, 36 degrees.
Tropicana offered an indoor beach party this year for everybody to enjoy. It was happening all month for the last 2 months in the winter, and I hope everybody that hasn't made it there tries to get out and enjoy the fun. It's a great time. Be sure to check out the indoor pool on the South Tower. It's on the 6th floor, and they also offer adult swims. There are also 2 parking garages. You have valet and self-park. Just conveniently look at the map and you'll be safely to your arrival.
Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video. I hope you hit the subscribe button up above and give it a thumbs up. And if you didn't like it, thumbs down. I'm new to this and I'm working on it, and I hope to continue to improve on my videos. And hope you enjoy, and looking forward to seeing you again. Bye.
Thank you for watching, and be sure to share it with your friends. If you're headed to Atlantic City, Tropicana is a great place to stay.